Everyone, thank you for joining today's Words of Wisdom with Prayers. The human body is full of mysteries. Why are we born as human beings? Why are we born as a man or a woman? Why are we able to work? Why does blood transform into mother's milk? May humanity awaken to the source of all these overflowing mysteries, the existence that created everything. May we spread the truth across the earth that this being is Lord Alcantara. Today's words of wisdom is: the body must have the power of regeneration. Today, let us continue learning the Lord's teachings about creation. To begin, I'd like to share one of his teachings. From a lecture, The Revival of Health, recorded 27th January 2007. In the religion of ancient Egypt, regeneration was performed. To explain exactly what this regeneration was, even when your hand was cut off in battle and was lost, for example, it would grow back. Amazing. No one can believe it. A lost leg grows back. This art of regeneration was performed in Egypt thousands of years ago. There are records of this. And according to my own spiritual investigations into this, it seems that they used what is called crystal power. The healers were using something like a crystal pyramid placed on their head and the staff of Kerukeon to perform the healing. I might need to research this area more thoroughly, but the art of the regeneration of endurers was performed by the religions of the time. The fact that hands and feet were growing back or not is something that anyone can confirm, so it's unlikely that it was fake. I think some kind of magical art did exist. You all know that some parts of the body are capable of regeneration. Skin can regenerate, as you know, and weak parts of the body can recover themselves. It may take time, but it is possible for various parts of the body to recover. If the original blueprint of the human body is at the genetic level, the body must have the power to regenerate if it can let the power naturally work. So whether a disease is cured depends on whether or not we can invoke this regenerating power. But because the education people are receiving is materialistic, and they don't believe in their inherent healing power, diseases are not cured. I think that the people have become unable to believe in anything other than materialistic treatments. But as your faith becomes stronger, miracles will happen around you, and you experience many surprising things. This, however, should not be unusual. Can you believe in this ancient Egyptian art of regeneration? Indeed, cuts on our fingers or skin heal, broken bones and fractures mend, and we know that even a lizard's tail can grow back. If that is possible for a lizard, how could it not be possible for human beings? And yet, when our hands, arms, or legs are torn off, severed, or crushed, for some reason, we simply give up. When disease progresses in our internal organs, we tend to give up and have them removed. We have learned that the true reason why diseases and injuries do not heal as they should is because we believe in materialistic education and materialistic common sense. If that is so, let us reclaim our true and natural faith. That faith is the faith in El Cantare. Let us be grateful for the power of regeneration given by the Lord. Accept that we hold this power within ourselves and share this truth with the world, that every person carries this power of regeneration. Let us make it the new common sense of the world, and let us restore ourselves to the true human beings we were meant to be. As usual, in the description section of this video, you'll find links related to today's topic. Please visit and check them out. Now let us recite Happy Science prayers. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Oka, the primordial Buddha of the great universe, and the God of origin. When we realize that the Lord who created everything has boundless and profound love for each one of us, we too cannot help but love the Lord. Here we offer our sincere gratitude to the Lord, who embraces us with infinite and unconditional love. Lord. Thank you very much. We love the Lord from the bottom of our hearts. We have a wish for the Lord's resurrection, which is also the resurrection of the hopes of humanity. Let us recite together the true words spoken by Buddha, prayer to the Lord and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prism of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow, watching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddha land. Buddha land is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is a land of love, or the land of mercy. This is a land of wisdom, or the land of teaching. Especially, this is a land of souls, rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock, and you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to pant in the stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days. Or to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now, here, listen to me. Never lose your way. Now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go straightly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your past have already gone by, yet still your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is the reason why you should understand other people. And you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other. And it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future to invite sad people to Buddha land. Now here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. It shall not be crime in this world. It shall not be evil spirits in this world. It shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas, believing that the light has reality, believing that love has reality, believing that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. Our Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil, and open a future for us. Our Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and the shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.